Hello, good day, Waray. This is Deborah Ramos, a Waray tuber, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, Waray na lang. So for today's video, I just give a short, I think it's just short message, a thank you message, I think, para sa lahat ng tao, mga tao nga nagbulig sa akong pag-eskwela for the second time around, because I have already graduated in the Bachelor of Science in Software Development. Software Development, that's an associate course for computer science, and it's just the 2-year course. And way back 2017, supposedly 2000, way back 2007, sorry. Pero dapat graduate ako noon 2006, but since I failed one subject, which is the quality control, and not my major subject, so I did nothing. Then I retake it, and then I graduated as a summer or Octoberian student, and I graduated with, kumbaga, kasabay sa kanila, parang. And then I graduated 2007, and after that I already had I already entered a job, which is the personal secretary at Our Lady of Refuge Parish. And then until now, my Father Allen, my friend father, are always giving me encouragement to go back to school, because you know, when you do not know your future, yeah, maybe if you can get married, you can support yourself. Sorry for my English, what I can say. And then yeah, I entered the school that I pursue my school, and I pursue my studies, because I want to forget what happened to my father. He died from diabetes, and it's a massive pain that I felt, because I love my parents, and I love my father, yeah, because he was the best father I ever had. Then I pursue what Father Allen advised me. Then he said that if you go to school, he will take in charge for that. And then he wants me to go to school, to enter the school, which is the Visayas State University, Tolosa. And then I decided after what happened to my dad, and then I called him. Yes, and then my Father Allen told me that, what do you want? Do you want to pursue your what we have talked? Yes, and I said yes. And then I continue my studies, and after 4 years, and he wants me to have a major in English, but then there's no major in English in Visayas State University. There is only major in fisheries, criminology, biological science, and mapping. And then yes, I finished the studies, and I didn't take an English major because the Visayas State University has no that kind of majorship, and I choose mapping because yes, I like to sing, dance, and arts, and yeah, physical education, but I really like music and arts. And yes, I entered that school. That's 4 years of studies, and parang syempre may ups and downs tayo, di ba? Lahat ng mga finance problems, it was supported by Father Allen. And then my mother and then my mother gave me my everyday allowances, and then pumasok ko doon nakagaan. At ngayon, graduate na ako. Yes. Graduate na ako. Tsaka ito na yan. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga taong paligid sa akin na palaging sumusuporta kung ano ang gusto ko. Lalong lalo na yung nanay ko. Saka si Father Allen. Saka mga classmates ko, kaibigan ko, mga naging kaibigan ko nung pumasok ako sa lalo na sa mga irregular students, sa mga Team Barbie, you know. They always give me words of encouragement hanggang matapos ko ang college. At sa lahat ng gustong hilahin ako pababa. Ay nako, die. Huwag nyo na gawin, die. Kasi dahil hindi ako magpapatalo. Charet. By the way, yan salamat sa lahat ng mga tao na pulisagyan. Ayun, ulitin ko si Nanay, si Father Allen, especially sa kanya. Alam niyo, kay God na walang sawang sumusuporta at nag-shower ng mga blessings. Lahat na kami, bawat isa sa atin, nagbibigay ng mga blessings. At saka kahit na medyo nagkakasala tayo, wala, hindi niya tayo binibitawan kasi she's a merciful God, and then He has agape love, para din siya isang parent, brother, lahat na kung anong gusto mong turing boyfriend o kahit na nanay, tatay, kuya, auntie, lahat na sa kanya pwede mga nakipa sa akin, as He is the most loving God. Siya lang ang nag-iisa. Kaya yun, kung anong pangarap, just pursue it. Kung anong mga challenges, natural lang yun kasi kahit anong challenges pa yan, ano ba yun? What is that? Malalampasan din natin kasi nandito lang siya sa atin. Nandito lang siya sa atin, sige. At palagi siyang nagsining maraming angels para gawayan tayo. At He watches over us 24 hours. Walang pagod kasi siya ang number 1 kana. Once again, salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa mga kapapanood nito. At if you want video, just click like. And for more videos, just subscribe. And yung maliit na bell, just click it for more notifications. Yan. See you next video, and subscribe. Nag-post ako na say something, gagawin ko ito mamaya or na anytime. Basta magkaroon lang ako ng mag-ano lang ako lang. Basta tapos lahat ng hindi na ako nag-Waray. Kung ano man ang oras, kahit hindi ako busy, yan. Tsaka yan, naghihintay pa ako ng ibang comments kasi 3 pa lang nagko-comments. Huwag naman kayo magano dyan, guys. Comment ka lang yan. Okay, for more videos, just click. If you like this video, just click like and subscribe, and click the tiny bell for more for the notifications and for my videos. Again, this is Debbie Ramos, a Waray tuber, and I love you mga Waray non. See you next video.